Come show us your cookies you made.
Put them on a pizza pan.
You put them on a pizza pan?
Where's the chocolate chips?
The chocolate chips?
Let
Let me see.
I didn't even see any.
Your chocolate chip cookies.
It's like cake.
We told you it looked like cake batter.
Dakota.
Wow. Dakota, look at his chocolate chip cookies.
Well, ask him where the chocolate chips are at. I don't even see any.
Fucking pancakes, Dad. They're so good. What? Breaking.
You gotta let them cool.
Right. You made 5 cookies that whole fucking time. There's more cookies though. Get it together.
I think you forgot your chocolate chips.
Okay, Betty Cocker, go fix the rest.